Hey everyone, it's been crazy how many of you have been asking about replacement parts for the DJI Inspire 3 controller lately. I kept seeing the same question pop up in the comments: where to get reliable, easy to install parts without breaking the bank. So today I finally tracked down the Camera Drones Parts RC Plus set specifically made for the Inspire 3 controller. If you've got a worn-out stick, a cracked shell, or just want a fresh look without shelling out for a brand new unit, this might be the quick fix you need. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First thing that stood out is the texture. These parts feel solid, no flimsy plastic that's going to crack the first time you press a button. I've used cheaper third-party sticks that feel like they're going to snap in half, but these have a nice matte finish that gives you grip without getting sticky over time. That alone makes a huge difference during long shoots when your fingers are already tired. Durability is the next big win. The set is designed to last, and it shows in the way the pieces fit together. I've seen other replacement parts where the screws strip after a couple of uses, or the thumb rest starts to wobble. With this set, everything feels locked in place. I put it through a few rough landings just to test it, and nothing budged. That kind of reliability is exactly what you want when you're flying a $3,000 drone. The size and design are surprisingly nice too. It's easy to overlook, but when you're holding the controller, the proportions feel right. The parts are small enough to not add bulk, but they're not so tiny that you lose dexterity. Plus, the color scheme is clean and matches the Inspire 3 aesthetic, so it doesn't look like a hack job when you're live streaming or recording. A little detail, but it matters when you're trying to keep things looking professional. Installation is honestly one of the smoothest I've done. I'm not a tech genius, and I still got it done in under 15 minutes. The instructions are clear, and the screws line up perfectly. No forcing parts into place or dealing with hidden clips that won't release. That's a huge relief when you're on a tight schedule and just need to get back in the air. Performance-wise, the sticks glide smoothly right out of the box. No stiff movement or catching that you sometimes get with brand new controllers. I tested it with both left and right hand grips, and the tension feels balanced. That's important because if the sticks are too loose or too tight, it throws off your control mid-flight. This set avoids that problem entirely. Another thing I like is the variety included. You're not just getting replacement sticks, there are thumb grips, side panels, and even a few internal mounts. That means if you've got a controller that's seen better days, you can refresh the whole look and feel without hunting down individual pieces. It's a complete refresh kit, which is perfect if you want to upgrade the look and function at the same time. Now, I do have to mention a couple of things to keep expectations realistic. First, if your controller is already damaged beyond the shell and sticks, this set won't fix internal circuit issues. It's strictly for mechanical parts, so don't expect miracles if the electronics are fried. Second, while the installation is easy, you do need a small Phillips screwdriver and steady hands. If you're not comfortable opening up electronics, this might not be the best first project. Overall, though, this Camera Drones Parts RC Plus set is a solid choice if you need to replace worn-out parts on your DJI Inspire 3 controller. It's durable, easy to install, and looks good while doing it. If you've been putting off that repair because you weren't sure where to start, this could be the solution you need. Check it out using the link below if you want to see the current price and availability.